Namaste and welcome to Learn Hindi with Reenu. So here we are discussing 1000 plus very short Hindi sentences for daily use. Using these sentences, you can speak Hindi fluently. It will help you out in everyday speaking. So this is the part 5th. We already did 4 parts of this series and many useful phrases we did there. So if you didn't go, just go and watch now. And this is now part 5th. So let's start. It's absolutely right, or we can say it's absolutely correct. In Hindi we say ये बिल्कुल ठीक है, ये बिल्कुल ठीक है. I am agree with you. मैं आपसे सहमत हूँ. I am agree with you. मैं आपसे सहमत हूँ. One more time. Here, time means bar. It is not N. It is B-A-A-R. Bar. It's by mistake N. So, and more means और. More means और. So, एक बार और. एक बार और. One more time. एक बार और. Once again, एक बार फिर. Once again, एक बार फिर. Or sometime we can say दोबारा. Like the sentence, speak once again. एक बार फिर बोलो. Or we can say एक बार फिर बोलो. Or we can say दोबारा बोलो. This time, इस बार. This time, इस बार. Like we can say this time it's very rainy. इस बार बहुत बारिश है. So we can use this like this. Explain it one more time. Explain is समझाओ. Explain करो, समझाओ. It इसे one more time. एक और बार और एक बार और. इसे एक बार और समझाओ. इसे एक बार और समझाओ. और we can say समझाइए for more polite. इसे एक बार और समझाइए. How many times? कितनी बार? The sentence can be like how many times we can brush our teeth or we should brush our teeth. हमें कितनी बार अपने दांत साफ करने चाहिए? 2 times. 2 बार. 2 times. 2 बार. Like this you can say 3 times. 3 बार. 4 times. 4 बार. So any word you can fit here, any digit, 3 times, 4 times, 7 times, 7 बार. And some ordinal number like first, second, third also. So first is पहला, पहली और पहले accordingly. But with time, with bar we will say पहली. पहली बार. First time पहली बार. Second time दूसरी बार. And if we say fifth times, then पांचवी बार. पांचवी बार. Last time. Last means आखिरी. Last time. आखिरी बार. Last time I saw you in Delhi. आखिरी बार मैंने आपको दिल्ली में देखा था. Several times or many times. Several times or many times. We say कई बार. कई बार. So these are very small phrases. You can use these in sentences. And now you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. If you want to have some one-on-one class, you can join me on Skype. You can mail me on my email ID. And if you want to support my work, you can join me on Patreon. So now you need to write in the comment box how will you say second time, third time, fourth time. So just write in the comment box and if you like the video, subscribe the channel. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. फिर मिलेंगे. नमस्ते.